Hi, my name is Luke, and this is my presentation about big data. What is big data? Big data is data that contains greater variety, arriving in increasing volumes and with more velocity, which is known as the three V's. Big data is larger and more complex data sets. These data sets are usually so large that normal data processing software cannot manage them, which is why it's kind of like a growing industry and becoming more popular with more of a focus from companies to innovate in big data. Who is using big data? Big data is used by companies for machine learning, improving customer relationships, and data on customers, such as customer segmentation, and as well as business performance. You can use a big data set over multiple years to possibly predict sales or what's going to be popular. And then predictive maintenance, which is a form of maintenance where you can essentially use big data to tell when maintenance might be needed in whatever field you're working in before it's actually needed. That way you can stay on top of things and continue business. Next is, where are they using big data? Big data is used in data analytics, of course, education, insurance, and healthcare. All of these fields use big data to learn more about what they're doing and try to predict how to be more efficient. Why are they using big data? So I did a SWOT analysis of a data analytics company called Tiger Analytics, which is based in India. Their strengths: they have an established customer base such as PayPal, Levi's, Cisco, and Whirlpool, and they have access to resources. Weaknesses would be competition and labor. Their opportunities are working with well-known businesses, which allows the company to work internationally. Finally, threats. Some threats, especially in India, is finding quality labor with proper education and competing with other companies such as Hyperlink Info Systems and Systems, which are big data analytic companies in India. When are they using big data? Big data is used in customer segmentation, which essentially helps companies learn more about their customers and how they react to certain products or the demographic of those customers, maybe their age, where they live, and how those relate to how they purchase their items or what their preferences are. And then I've got a quote from MordorIntelligence.com, which has some information about big data in India. The quote is: "The Indian government had been giving vocal importance of big data as it was the core of the Digital India campaign. The government in recent years emerged as a significant customer of big data services. In 2019, the government announced a slew of the project, which rely heavily on big data services. The first project was announced in September 2016, where the Indian government was planning to use drones, AI, and big data to digitally map India." So, going off of that, how can it be used in India? Again, customer segmentation, mapping, and you can use big data in financial decisions. Finally, I've got two truths and one lie. So we'll start from the top. Big data can always be predicted accurately. That is supposed to say accurately. Two, the biggest issue with data access is IT budget constraints. Three, the US is the biggest market for big data. So let me know which one you think is the lie. Thank you.